In today's video, I am going to teach you how to delete or hide reviews on a Facebook business page. Begin by opening facebook.com in your browser. Make sure you are already logged into your Facebook account. Once Facebook loads, switch from your personal profile to your Facebook business page. This is important because the review settings you need are managed from the page, not from your personal account. After you are on the correct business page, look to the left-hand menu and click Settings. This will open the main settings area for your page. On the Settings page, find the section called Audience and Visibility. This section contains several options that control what visitors can see and do on your page. Inside Audience and Visibility, click Page and Tagging. This will take you to a page with more detailed visibility and interaction settings. Scroll through the available options until you find the setting labeled Allow Others to View and Leave Reviews on your page. This is the control that manages whether recommendations and reviews appear publicly and whether new ones can be submitted. When you find that setting, click the toggle and switch it off. Turning this option off will disable reviews and recommendations for the page. Facebook may take a moment to save and apply the change, so wait briefly until the update is complete. Once the setting has been turned off, go back to your Facebook business page to confirm the result. Check the page to make sure reviews and recommendations are no longer visible. You should also verify that visitors no longer have the option to leave new reviews on the page. This method does not remove one single review while keeping the rest active. Instead, it hides the entire review and recommendation section from public view and prevents future reviews from being posted. If your goal is to stop review activity altogether, this is the setting you need to change. If Facebook updates its layout slightly, the names of the menus may appear in a slightly different order, but the setting is still found within your page settings under Visibility and Interaction Controls. The key step is turning off the option that allows others to view and leave reviews on your page. After you confirm that the review section is no longer showing, the process is complete. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.